I chose the BAE program because I wanted to be part of a small group of motivated students with diverse perspectives.
Economics is a skill set that follows you throughout your whole career. You become more and more responsible for making very few but high quality decisions. And in order to do that, it's important to understand politics, society, finance, and economics is the language that combines all of those things.
As the best economics department in Canada, our researchers are renowned across the globe. Our Bachelor of International Economics program is a highly selective, direct entry path for undergraduates at UBC.
Our program is designed to prepare you for leadership in economics, finance, and business. Leaders today need to be prepared to solve complex problems such as climate change, income inequality, and economic development.
The econometrics component of the degree I have found to be particularly useful in helping me think about some of the more complex problems that I have faced in previous internships.
Our respected faculty has partnered with the Starter School of Business to teach you how we solve such problems using the scientific method and quantitative data analysis. Fortunately, you don't have to do it on your own. Your cohort of 100 students will move through the program as one.
As you're starting the program, we'll meet one-on-one to plan your courses. As you progress, I can help you design your academic plan to include internships, research opportunities, co-ops, and more.
It gives you the flexibility to explore those opportunities while still pursuing a very rigorous and challenging degree that is useful in the workforce.
Nancy Clark of the Career Center is a phenomenal lady. If it wasn't for her pushing me in the way that she has to perfect my interview skills, perfect my elevator pitch, I wouldn't be in the position I am today. And I was actually in the co-op program and took my second semester of third year off to do investment banking at National Bank. That was a phenomenal experience. I learned so much. After graduation, I'm joining RBC to work on their investment banking team.
After graduation, I'm going to be heading to BlackRock. I'm going to be working on their hedge fund solutions team.
I've learned that I thrive in environments where there are high expectations of me.
As you attend courses that are exclusive to BAE students, you will make enduring friendships. We know this because our alumni have built an active community which has spread across the globe.
There's much to learn about the Vancouver School of Economics and our BIE program. And I personally look forward to welcoming you to campus next year.
What are you waiting for?
What are you waiting for?
What are you waiting for?
Apply for our Bachelor's of
International Economics program
Today!